Hello students, today's our topic is balanced diet. In 6th standard science second chapter, components of foods. Previous lectures I have discussed about the components of foods such as carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, proteins and their properties, sources. But in this lectures we will discuss about the balanced diet. First of all, we know what is a balanced diet. The food which we eat during the whole day. Which types of foods we will taking whole day from morning to whole night. Whole day is called our diet. What is the diet? The foods which we eat during the whole day is called diet. So diet consists, there are many types of foods, many varieties of foods. For example, wheat, rice, pulses, cereals, fruits, vegetables, milks, eggs, different varieties of foods we take whole day. So, a diet consists of many food items made from cereals like wheat and rice, pulses, fruits, vegetables, meat, eggs and milk, etc. Different varieties which supply the all nutrients in the body. So the diet which contains adequate amounts of all the nutrients. What is a diet? The food which we eat whole day is called a diet, and the diet which contains adequate means proper amounts of all the nutrients such as carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins and minerals sufficient for the norm means. What is the proper amount? Proper amount means sufficient for the normal growth and development of the body. It is known as a sufficient, adequate amount. So the diet which contains adequate amount of all the nutrients such as carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins, minerals is called balanced diet. From single foods we cannot get all types of nutrients, minerals, waters, different things. Some food items are rich in carbohydrates, some are rich in fats, some are rich in vitamins, proteins and minerals. Means single item from single varieties of foods cannot provide us all the essential nutrients in the adequate amounts of body. Single types of foods we cannot get completely nutrients from our body. So to make a balanced diet we should take different varieties, different types of foods and proper amount of foods in our daily meal, which taken together provide for us we all the nutrients in adequate amounts. We should also drink sufficient amount of water and eat roughage containing foods also. Roughage containing foods we should take every day. So this is a balanced diet. Balanced diet means we should take different types of foods in our daily meal, which taken together provide us all the nutrients in adequate amounts. We should also drink sufficient amount of water and taking roughage containing foods. So in a balanced diet should containing different types of foods, items from different groups. So we should know which types of foods we should take, then which types of nutrients we will find. It is very important. So for balanced diet we should take different types of foods to daily life. So first we should take cereals, wheat and rice. Wheat and rice. From wheat and rice, or you can say potatoes, sugar, provide us carbohydrates. Means from bread, rice, sugar, potatoes, we will find which types of nutrients? Carbohydrates. Second, we should take daily in our foods butter, ghee, oil, mustard oil. For fats, to provide us fats. Third, pulse, peas, milk, cheese, fish, meat, chicken, eggs, to provide proteins. Pulses, meat, eggs, fish, provide us proteins. So different types of varieties we will see here. Different types of foods we will find different types of nutrients. Carbohydrates, fats and proteins. Next, for vitamins, minerals and roughage, we should take vegetables and fruits. Vegetables, fruits, to provide minerals, vitamins, roughage. And after this, next fifth one, water also. Water is very compulsory. And important things, we should take water every day after meals. So this is the known as the mixtures of balanced diet. So these balanced diets, how will avoid the nutrients or avoid the wasteful pre-cooking and cooking practices. More nutrients we will provide here. A balanced diet depends on the age of the person and also on the occupation of the persons. If anyone do any hard work, physical work like laborers, so they require different types of foods, different types of balanced diet. But anyone if doing their work on in office, so they have required different types of foods, different types of balanced diet. And also balanced diet depends on the age. Different types of age required to different types of balanced diet. For example, only up to 18th and 19th years age up to only required for the development of the parts of the bodies and growth of the bodies. So this is the balanced diet. Some our cooking activities waste their fruits, nutrients. So how will we avoid wasteful pre-cooking and cooking practices? Avoid wasteful pre-cooking and cooking practices. Pre-cooking and cooking practices. Pre-cooking, some of our activities we should avoid pre-cooking. So pre-cooking means the various wasteful pre-cooking practices which lead to the loss of nutrients. First, repeated washing of rice and pulses. We should not washing the rice and pulses repeated many times. During this process, most of nutrients parts losing to the washing times. So, first pre-cooking practices, repeated washing of rice and pulses. Repeated washing rice and pulses loss of nutrients. Loss of nutrients. And next, taking of washing of fruits and vegetables after they peeling and cutting. Means if after peeling and cutting we will wash the fruits or vegetables, then that time also lost their nutrients. So we should avoid washing of fruits and vegetables after they have been peeled and cut. We should avoid fruits and vegetables after fruits and vegetables after cut, peel and cut. So these are the pre-cooking foods. So, and the various wasteful cooking practices which lead to the loss of nutrients. Cooking practices, we should cook our foods in the proper temperature, not very high temperature. So cooking the food at high temperature is a very loss of the nutrients. Third, cooking very high temperature loss of nutrients. And next, what? Throwing away water in which food is first boiled. So it is also, if you boil any things, any foods, any vegetables, then that water is contain a large amount of nutrients. So you should avoid throwing away that's the water. So it is a pre-cooking and cooking wasteful avoid conditions. So in this sections we have discussed about the balanced diet and how we'll get our nutrients and save there, avoid the loss of nutrients. Next topics I will discuss about the deficiency and disease. Okay, thank you.